Hi crypto kings and queens, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I will show you why I do believe that we will come back down to 31,800, 600, and we are just heading back down to that level. I do believe that we can expect some fake outs from this support that we're having around 31,600. I will show you exactly what I see on Ethereum also, and I'll just do a quick recap of some of the coins that we were going through on yesterday's live stream. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly what I see on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the recap of the coins we were looking at yesterday. We're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. Last week we did close with a huge bearish candlestick. We did just close slightly above 35,600, and now we can see the market breaking that level. We can see huge momentum to the downside this week too. The first targets that I'm having that we can come back down to is 31,500, around that level. And if we're going to the higher time frames and looking at the monthly chart, you can actually see that we are right now retesting the monthly higher low. We can come back down to 29,500. We can definitely start to see that we're trying to break this level and comes inside, and then we just might consolidate in between 35,600 and 31,500 until we're breaking to the upside. But this week I definitely believe that we will continuing being bearish, and the next coming weeks we will see if we are breaking to the upside or not on Bitcoin. And if we're looking at Ethereum, we are having the previous higher low around 1,700, and so we're just gonna drag a trend line right here or a support. So we can see that if we're coming to that level, we would definitely start to see the market will bounce to the upside a little bit. I'm just gonna use the close of the bodies also. So I'm having two levels right now on Ethereum, 2,265 and 1,734. So in case we see the market coming to these levels as I'm talking about, so this is the monthly chart. So we can expect the market to consolidate in between these levels. You just might see the market trying to break it, this previous low that we do have, and you see the fake outs, and then eventually market will continue to the upside. But I definitely believe that the market will consolidate in between these levels, just might have some push to the downside and then continues to the upside, or we just continue breaking down. But I definitely would use these two levels. We're just coming to the first level right now at 2,200, and we can see a bounce back down to these levels. And if we're breaking it, then we're obviously using other support and resistance zones that we can use. But I definitely believe that we can see the market work inside or around these levels. If we're going to the daily chart, the market has already done the move right now. You had a small pullback, market continues to the upside or to the downside, I'm sorry. So right now what I'm waiting for on the lower time frames is to see where I potentially can find a lower high to be created to sell the market. I am not in a trade right now because the market, it's Monday, the market did its lower high continuation right now. So with some patience, I will find an entry and I'll share that with you in the live streams or the next video. But this is definitely what I see right now on Ethereum also. It looks the same like on just like Bitcoin. Just remember that on BYBIT you can receive a bonus up to $4,100 through Bitcoinsensus. And BYBIT is a super good platform if you're a swing trader and if you want to hold your positions for a longer time and have low fees during that time. And you are also supporting Bitcoinsensus, so we are able to sit here and share with you what we see on the charts. And guys, it just looked the same thing on every pair. So you had the pullback yesterday. Market now have its impulsive move. So yesterday we were going through a live stream. Market never reached those levels that I was speaking about. So right now the levels that I did have yesterday, there's not accurate. So during the next live stream that we're having, we're obviously gonna have a different prices because the market has already done its move. So now we just have to look at what the market is doing at that point when we're looking at the charts. Thank you so much guys for looking at this video together with me. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you'll always see when I'm having my live streams or my daily updates about cryptocurrencies. I wish you all the best and I hope you will have a good trading week. Remember, trade with risk management, and we see each other tomorrow or later today on the live stream. Bye bye.